I picked up some Walter's ground cherry, and they produce fruits like this that have a little lantern. They're related to tomatillos. They have this case, and the non-Florida ones are also called golden berries. So they look like this, like a little golden berry. So I've peeled back the husk after it's dried. So if you eat them before they dry, they can be poisonous. If you wait until they dry and fall off, they're gonna be fine to eat. I have them right there. They're starting to spread. Got them over here. So the annuals, but they do, from what I read, tend to reseed themselves if I don't eat all of them in the meantime. So I'm gonna bring these inside and try them. I brought them inside to try because outside it was starting to rain more with the hurricane coming through. So I am going to try them. They look like this. And the ones you buy in the store are really good. So hopefully these are gonna be good too. Let's try them. Oh, wow. Okay. There's a lot going on there. It's a very intense, like there's nothing in your face flavor. So it's kind of tastes like a passion fruit and then pineapple. And so it's got that really acidic, but sweet, intense flavor. Those are really good. Let's try this one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this one's more mild. So it kind of has that tomato acidic taste. These are really good. I hope that I get a bunch more. The plant out there is still doing good. I have to beat the ants to them, but if I get more of these, I will be very excited because the ground cherries that I bought, they didn't do anything. So these native ones that I pulled out of somebody's yard with their permission, they taste really good and they are thriving. So I am very excited about these. That one had more tomato too. So like a tomato and passion fruit mix. And that's these Walter's ground cherries. Okay, have a great day.